Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today's class is about sound. So in the last class we have learned what is sound used for, how do we use it in Scratch, but today we are going to practice few activities on Scratch. So before we practice, what we'll understand is what actually sound is. Like you know that any game you do on Scratch is like really boring without the sound. So let's learn how to add the sound and practice few different activities where we are using sound in our project, so that you will get idea that how you can use sound in different projects that you are creating. So consider first I'm going to choose a background. I can take a forest or this one. Okay, I can take a forest, or maybe I can take this hill or hayfield also. And then I can take a horse. Consider I'll make this horse jump, or maybe I can even do one thing. I'll take a castle. That will be really nice. Okay, so horse will just jump, go till here and disappear. And when the horse is walking over, that time we will add sound to it. So now, because at the end I am saying that I want this horse to reach here and then get hide, so we will use hide block. So every time you use hide block in your project, simultaneously you have to use show as well. So I'll take a show block. Okay, so once we have taken show, consider I'll take this position. This position is good. Okay, using go to, I'm setting the starting position and point in direction. Let's see what point in direction we will take. I'll try to change this. Okay, 60 is good. Let me try. Yeah, so it looks like it's jumping. I can even take 70. Let me check how it is. Okay, this is better. Now I want size to be bigger, complete 100% what it is now. Now we are going to take a repeat loop. I'll just try 50 for now. We are randomly testing with 50 number if it is reaching till this point or not. And if 50 is not working, we can change the number. So it's all experimental. What value we take. I'll take move steps. I want it to move. I'll take it 5 times. And now I'll go to costume. You will see there is a costume which makes it look like horses hopping around. Correct? So to change the costume, which block we always use? We have to change the costume. So I'm going to take a next costume. Now when you do this inside repeat, I'll just show you what is happening. You can see it's happening very fast, which we don't want. Correct? So we go to control, we take this block and we change the value, consider to 0.2. Now I'll see how it's jumping around. It's manageable, so it's understandable, right? Now you can see that when this horse is reaching the end, it can't go inside this tunnel. You can see this tunnel which is open. So if you want it to go inside, its size should increase. So you can't just specify that when it reaches here, then reduce the size. That is not possible. That's a concept which we can do, but that's a higher level concept which you learn in the coming classes. So for this level, you can do change size by. Let's say I'll take -1. See, as long as it's going, the size is reducing. Let's see how many times it goes. Okay, with 50 it's stopping here. Let me try 70. And I think this per position should be this one actually. Okay, so I think I'll take, this is fine. Let's try. I'll just add a hide block so that once it reaches the end, it should hide. So it's hopping around. We are going to add the sound now. So it's like it is reaching the end. Okay, there's one thing which I think I need to fix is the X position. It's going here. I want it to go straight. Yeah, I'll take this minus 126. So when its size is reducing, it goes straight. Okay, this is the perfect number. Because as size reduces, it looks like it's going down. So I'm taking this position. Now let's come to the topic for the day, sound. I'll take when the green flag is clicked, and let's go to sound. In sound, I'm setting volume to 100% because I want it to be complete full volume thing. Then I'm taking a repeat block. Now in repeat, what number is going to come, that we will be able to decide according to the sound. Now here we have horse. I'll hear to this. This is good, gallop, horse gallop. It's looking like it's hopping. If you want to search, this is not available for you. You can click on choose a sound. You can search here. You can even search with this name, gallop, and then click on it. So that will get added. So I'll just take play sound. It's seriously sounding really well. I changed the number to 4. And now I want, as it's moving, as the size is also reducing, I want its change volume. Its volume should reduce. It's like very high tone. So I'll make it minus 25. It's looking really cool when the volume goes down from the top. You can just try doing this. I'll change the name to Horse Fun and I'll save it. I want everyone to experiment this. I'll start the new project now. We'll try one more activity. Okay, let's say I'm adding one backdrop. I'll go to music. That is what I want, a stage. So I'll take a theater. Then I want a girl to dance. So for that I want speakers on both the sides. Okay, the speaker is considered here. It's really big. I'll change it to 70. Oh, what happened? Okay, 70 is good. I'll right click and duplicate because I want same size speaker on the other side. Okay, this is good. Now I'll add a girl who's going to dance. I love this ballerina dancing. So this is called a dance party. So you can see how we make ballerina dance. We go to the costume. We have the dance thing, right? So first let's make ballerina dance and then we will code for the sound. So I'll take green flag clicked forever. So if I want to make it change the costume, I'll have to use next costume. Because it happens very fast, we use wait block to control it. So I'll go to the control section and then I'm going to take wait 0.3 maybe. Let's see. Yeah, 0.3 is good. Now let's code for the sound. For the speaker. So I'll go to when green flag is clicked. I'll take forever. Let's go to this and try to hear the drum sounds, the speaker. I like this. I'll go back to code and I'm going to take play sound drum funky. So I can hear the sound when the ballerina is dancing, but what I want to do now here, interesting one fact is that when this starts, I want speaker size to keep changing, like going big, going smaller. So how we do that, that will make it look very interesting. I'll take when green flag clicked forever. I'll set size to 100%. After that, I'm going to take a wait block. We have to make it wait. First the size is big, Then I'm reducing the size again. So I'll do set size to. I'm keeping it fixed between 2. I don't want like we did with the horse, it was really big. So I used change size by. So it kept going down in the size. I don't want like that. I want 2 standard sizes, one big, one small. I'll just duplicate this wait 0.5 seconds and delete this. Let's see how it looks. You can see how interesting speaker is looking. We can do same for another speaker. We can take this and put it in another speaker. If you want it to make more interesting, you can go to the backdrop. You can do when green flag is clicked forever. You can change the color effect. For me, it's like very vibrant, so I don't think we should do this. But if you like vibrant colors, you can always do it. We can change the name to ballerina dance. I'll go to file and save it. So I want you to create this ballerina dance or dance party project and save it. I hope it's clear. I'll start a new project. Again for the sound. Okay, so let me take a backdrop. We'll again take this stage. This is nice. We can search for some people around. Let's say which one we like. We can search for more actually. This is nice. But boy is really big in size, so we will change it. Now this hands are like this. We can do one thing. We can give it a guitar. This goes with the background, the purple guitar. So I can give it here and I can change the direction. If you want, we can change the guitar size also to 80 so that it's not too big. Now we can even add one speaker here. And I can teach you more things about I'll change it to 80. I think it's fine here. Okay, so I'll start. Now in sounds, there is a block which I want to teach you now. See, change pan. Let's set actually in the start. When we click, we want to set pan left to right, means left ear, right ear, what you can hear. So I'll keep it to -100. Now let's add the sound for the speaker. We can say when the green flag is clicked. This depends on the tone, how much tone you want in both the ears. Now let's say I'll do one thing. We can add one graphical effect also. Set brightness. We can do 50. You can change the number to anything. And then we can add this play sound drum funky. And then again what I can do now is to add a bit more of graphical thing. I'll delete this and make it 0. And let's do wait 1 second, so it's not happening very fast. Let's see what happens. So it's running. When it's playing the music, the brightness is really too much. And when it's not playing, it's very low. Now we can set for the guitar too. How much high end pitch you want, you can set that as well. So we can set pitch effect to 200, like which is very louder. then we can change pan, left and right effect. So the effect keeps reducing after a point. When the green flag is clicked, we can do one thing. Instead of doing this again, we can use the same code for the guitar. But here, just this will change to any guitar thing. Clear? I hope it's clear for everyone. If you want, you can add 2 speakers as well. Let's see. So it's like speaker is also playing, guitar is also playing. You can do it separately. It's not needed in one project, but I have done this in one project so that you understand more of concept. I'll save this. I want everyone, all of those who are watching this video, please try to practice all of the programs and try to come up with new experiments using this logics. Thank you so much.